Here's a quick recipe for you. I have beef with me here. I'm putting some salt, black pepper, and garlic powder on a separate tin. I'm going to add some bay leaf in the beef, cinnamon stick, some fresh chili, the spices that I had just set aside. I'm going to add some vinegar and water. This combination, I'm going to put it in a pressure cooker and let it cook for about 30 minutes or so. Then I'm going to be prepare some onion, some garlic, some green and yellow capsicum separately, after which I'm going to start cooking the dish by adding some oil, some chopped garlic, onion, some tomatoes, which I'm going to let it sweat off, and then I'm going to press on it to turn it into a gravy. Then I'm going to add in my beef, some salt, turmeric powder, some chili powder, and also I'm going to add some tomato paste, the previously chopped sliced capsicum, red and yellow, and then I'm going to add some little broth on the beef. Give that a good mix, simmer it for a couple of minutes, and your beef is ready.